up on them, like smoke them back tires.
Hey, man.
What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. Back home, back living my lifestyle, man. Back on my car stuff. Y'all already know something epic is about to go down with Becky leaving out. But guys, I cannot figure out the next move. So before I tell y'all the next move, I'm about to actually go over here to Mr. 75 Capri Shop and show y'all the next move of what I'm stuck on. Like, I don't know if I want to do this over here or do that over there, or just buy a new project. But I do have projects that I gotta finish, so I'm just stuck, guys. So I'm gonna need y'all help to get in the comment section and let me know what y'all anxious to see me build next. Whatever I do, it's gonna be epic. I always make something that's eye-catching, you know, that's over the top, and that's why I would never leave the custom car game, because that's what made me. And it's just fun, man. It's fun, you know. Having a Corvette and everything, I love it. Yeah, it's cool. It's just a sign of, hold on, ooh, we don't want that to fall down there. It's just a sign of everything I accomplished, you know, treating myself to something nice. But as far as customization, I couldn't do nothing to that car but put wheels on it. And you know, I just like hood stuff. I like street stuff, so I'm gonna continue to build crazy cars. I don't know if I'm gonna ever have another car on 32s or 34s. Definitely going 32s on my Silverado though. 32s next year on that, mandatory. 34s, the tire's hard to get, and I'm not finna, you know, risk getting some wheels and then can't get the tires, because Forgiato don't sell tires. But we definitely about to go in on the Scat Pack or this other car of mine. So man, y'all stick around and watch the whole video. You know, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, click that notification bell, tune in to all my Cash App giveaways after a video hit 50K, and join that 32 gang. We got some cars to check out over here. Y'all see, man, we got the 69 Camaro over there, and we got the box Chevy sitting on the rose gold Forgiato twisted. But also, I don't know, man, like I try to keep my eyes off this car, because honestly it's gonna take a whole nother bag. I already put a bag in it, but that was just to get something going for the content. But this car, man, is gonna take a whole nother bag. Like, everything is done to the suspension, everything is brand new, but it's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done, man. Sitting on a 26-inch gold MTW billet wheels, the wheel wood, 6 pistons up front, man. We got everything, man. QA1 coilovers just went crazy, man. Went crazy. Tube tucked, everything. Shout out to Sammy's on that. Sitting up under there, adjustable coilovers in the rear. Pretty much with this car, I'm going back the same color. We're gonna add the gold flakes. We're gonna get rid of this right here and add like a gold, the real gold to match that. We got the steering wheel, we got the gear shift right there. The old steering wheel was ugly, got to get them seats fixed, all that good stuff. Got the original pieces welded back on. So I don't know if I want to start on this. Also, I got the T-tops, so something I could swerve on Mr. 75 with over here. We supposed to have been out this year, but I ain't even rushed. I ain't had this car even a year yet. It barely just passed a year. It came up on my timeline, so I slowed down on this and went on to do Becky and some other stuff. But we got the T-tops, man. You can't be King G-body or nothing without the T-tops. Ain't that right? That's right. Gotta be the T-tops, man. You gotta have the T-tops. Huh? To get the T-tops, gotta have the T-tops. 442 and Hurst is above them all. Is the Hurst over?
Not about the same, but yeah.
Yeah.
They're older.
So yeah, if you talking that Kings, you better come with it. We about to come with it. I don't think, a lot of people don't want me to change the front and put the Euro clip on there. but I probably am. I don't even know if this old thing start up. It's crazy, guys. That's the problem with having so many cars like you. You don't start them up. I ain't checked on the scat pack. I ain't drove the scat pack in so long. I might have to get over there and pull it out, get it washed. I had put a bend in running my rims. I gotta get that little thing fixed, but I think that's the next thing to go to the paint shop. Hold on. Yeah, ain't nothing like being behind this wheel though. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at that gold wheel. I have not drove this car yet. Like, I ain't drove it nowhere, but I look good in here. I think next year this should be hitting the block, guys. This is definitely gonna hit the block. It just take a lot of money to get this car right, and I be thinking of other things I want to do and other things I want to get. So you get an old school and you get it done right, not half done, not painting, putting rims on the car and painting the car is not getting it done right. Building the car from the ground up is getting it done right. Anybody could buy a car, paint it and put rims on it. You ain't killing nothing. Your shit ain't running right. You gotta be running right. This old school game, a different level of cars. Like what I do with the new school, because I do change everything, it's cool, but when you in the old school game, it's a different type of bag, it's a different type of level, and the competition is crazy. So if you build it because you love cars, because you will never be on top. It's just too many people got too many bags in these old schools. Just build it for you and enjoy it, man. Enjoy it. Listen, Mr. 75. Y'all know I gotta take it for a little quick ride. He still ain't clean my inside. Boy, look at this thing. Dust. Y'all know he went with me to get this. He was actually gonna get it. And I gotta show y'all his cars too. The video, you know, the 69 Camaro I was gonna buy from him, it is now officially for sale. Then we got the rose gold wheels on the box Chevy over there. Nice. Thing is nice. Here we go, right here, man. Let's capture some of this footage of this rolling footage over here before my camera dies. Oh. Uh-oh. Ran out of gas. Probably I know it happened before. Uh-oh. We out of gas, man. I think we made it all we could make it. We gotta go get some gas. Cause the gas gauge ain't working. Cause y'all know I got the whole loose thing put under the bottom. So they ain't hooked back up.
There goes your king, man. You ain't king no more.
Embarrassing. All right, we gotta get gas. We got it out, ran out of gas. We going to get gas and then we're gonna get back to the video. All right, guys, we back up and running. Y'all hear that motor, boy? Y'all better step back. That's what 1800 horsepower sound like. Hold on. Ain't it stunning? Hold on, pull that down. Mexican, I know you know how to do it now. This is what 1800. See, this how I'm pulling up on Dracula and that slow ass 75 Street. 1800 horsepower.
1800?
Yeah.
Oh, you going for Dunk Master, huh?
Yeah.
You going
Master who? CJ on 32s, man. What if I just drive and the drive shaft just fall out right now? Y'all know we ain't cutting nothing. I hate I ain't got a chance to drive yet, son. Old school. This is how you gotta ride old school too.
Hell yeah.
Pull up on them like smoke them back tires.
Hey man.
This how they be too. Niggas ride by when they in the park.
Hell yeah. Schoolies, boy.
You're gonna slow down right there.
With the tops on.
Yeah, the T-tops on.
Do a burnout.
Break down. Man, it feels good being in here, dude.
I know, right? It looks good too. Them MTW, everything, boy.
They chopping the knob.
Them MTW doing it.
And wheels chop.
Yeah, they do. They dancing. That color combo gonna be crazy once it's done.
Look at him.
Oh, he gonna swerve on us.
Yeah.
I see you. Billy gang.
Alright guys, that's what I'm talking about, man. Stunner, what you think, man? We need to get started on the old school?
Hey man, MTW Billet Gang, boy, we own it, man.
We own it. Oh, you about to get some for Drac, right?
Yeah, Billet Boys.
Oh yeah, I got a call for you.
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Billet Boys.
G-Body Gang, man. Not this old photo box Chevy over here, but it's looking good.
Man, no disrespect in the box, man.
The box game struck. It's only cause Mr. 75 on it. Look at him, Caprice on the shirt.
It's technically a G-Body too, right? No, it's box. Oh, so it's not the G-Body.
Nah, don't disrespect us G-Bodies like that, man. A Monte Carlo Regal.
Right. Well, it's all in the same era, man.
Got the, how you say them now? Magnias, Magillas, how you say them? Cause nobody say them right.
Whatever you want to call it.
I call them Magnias. Yeah, Magnias. Check it out, guys. Got the rose gold Forgiato Maglia Twisteds on here. What I got on the vet and the scat pack. He came through. They tried to trade them too. Some ugly wheels for these. No, sir. Is this for sale? This for sale or no? Not yet. Not yet, but stay tuned. This one's gonna be for sale soon. It's nice, man. That rose gold looking real good on there. See them old schools? We got the old school lineup out here, but bam, we got the 69 Camaro finally out of Juan Garage. And look at this thing here. Magnificent. This is old school for you guys. Definitely. Hard to find. Look. Y'all know the, like the tank. Got them right there. They tried to bring them back, man. The little fins back there came off the old model. Rush check. This thing is stupid clean. But the good news about this one, excuse me, is you can buy this right now. It's for sale. Yo. Tell them what's going on with the Camaro. It's for sale now.
I gotta sell it because you didn't want to buy it.
Yeah, I'll pass. Maybe Stunner want to add something else to the collection.
Stunner got a 1-car garage now. I'm going down from a 2 to a 1, so yeah.
I'm borrowing garages, so I'm out of space. I'm going 1 car down when the Challenger leave, taking 1 out the fleet and building 2 that I already got.
That's dope.
Yep.
They finna go be nasty. I already know.
Yep. I'm trying to, man, I can't say it on camera, but I'm trying to take 1 now to get it done, especially while I'm gonna be out in Vegas moving around. I won't think about it. It just dropping on their head.
Right.
Boop, boop, boop. So what we got going on, man? 69 Camaro?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try, man. Really don't want to sell it. Like, you know, somebody comes with the cash. Theirs. The 1 owner. So the car's unmolested, matching numbers. Been stored for like 16 years and hasn't really been moved, you know.
That's older than him down there, guys. It's a long time.
Yeah, since I bought it.
Look how clean it is.
It's been sitting, I think, 6 years.
In your garage, right?
I never drove it.
Yeah.
So,
Y'all seen the video. If y'all go back and find a video when I was gonna buy it from him and it was all dusty and everything. Look at it now though.
Yeah.
She's a winner.
Yeah, it's definitely a good barn find.
Good barn find.
Yeah.
Y'all know Mr. 75 Caprice. Keep some heat over here. Keep it. So you can own this beautiful Camaro for the price of.
Y'all gonna have to DM me on Instagram, Mr. 75 Caprice.
Here he go.
Right.
Here he go.
Y'all know.
Instead of just telling y'all, now y'all gonna have 1,000,001 question, but just DM him, man. Mr. 75 Caprice on Instagram. What's your YouTube channel that you don't post on no more?
Hey, been busy, okay? It's the same, Mr. 75 Caprice.
Mr. 75 Caprice on YouTube. But if you want this beautiful Camaro right here, hit him up. Guys, do not inbox me. Do not inbox Stunner.
No.
Inbox him right here. He's the only one can help you.
Either. Al gets mad.
Y'all can call Al all day. Nobody cares. Heat him up.
Yeah, I was gonna be pissed off.
Nobody cares. But anyway, guys, that's it, man. It's a wrap. This your boy CJ on 32 checking out with another video. Get in the comment section down below and tell me which car of mine that you want to see me finish first. I'm out, man. Gang.
Turn it up, K-Rock.